Yo guys, and welcome to this new video on Mr. Crypto. Today we are going to be talking about the short-term Bitcoin price action because we are currently seeing some warning signs right now evolving on the Bitcoin charts. We need to keep that into account, and we are going to be discussing the signals we are getting right now in the markets. We are going to be discussing the levels, the target levels, right, of these maybe potential downwards movement that we're going to be creating, how you can profit from of this move, how you can be trading this move, right? And also some levels you might even take a potential long from, because in a long time frame we are a mega bull and we do want to take some swing trading opportunities to the upside. Why? Because we broke this huge daily resistance, and also, yeah, we got some more signals. We already made a few videos about these exact signals, but that does not take away the fact that currently in the shorter time frames, we are looking actually pretty bearish, and we do want to keep that into consideration with our analysis. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first signal that we are right now getting is actually on the 30-minute time frame. It is on the lower time frame side. I do not quite like that, but still we need to keep it into consideration. We have this symmetrical triangle on the 30-minute time frame, and this might be the leading indicator, right? Maybe a bit lacking, but still we are going to get a signal to either the upside or to the downside. So if we're going to get this break to the upside, I think I will not be trading this break to the upside. But if we're going to get this break to the downside, I do think I'll be setting up a position right here. And I'll be going over exactly why. Because actually on the 1 hourly time frame, if we take out the RSI, you can see it's still very overbought. Even on the 1 hourly time frame, on the 2 hourly time frame, on the 3 hour, and even on the 4 hourly time frame. So these are not the levels I look in towards for opening a long position. But what I can see happening once we are going to get this break towards the upside is actually the RSI still getting a push to the upside, and we're going to get this bearish divergence. And that's probably the main reason why I will not be opening this long opportunity once we're going to get this break towards the upside. Now, if we will get the break to the downside, I do think it is a good time maybe to be opening some kind of position to the short side. Why? Because we are having some more signals that are leading towards some bearish continuation right now in the market. First of all, yeah, we kind of mentioned it already, but on the 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see that the RSI is currently sitting at oversold levels. As you can see right here, we have highlighted the levels we have reached right now before at about the 80 or 76 level, right? We are currently trading on the RSI. Once we reach these levels, you could see in the past, man, we got this very nice rejection right there. Once again, we got a smaller rejection, right? But I'm talking about at the very least, a 2% correction, right? And as you can see right here, we got even a 10% correction. There you go. I mean, it is very accurate right here as well. We got a very nice rejection. Once again, very nice rejection in the short term. Once again, very nice. It was even the top right there. And right here, once again, we are getting this signal on the RSI, which might be leading in towards at least, guys, 2 to 3 or maybe even 5% correction. Now, the next thing I want to be talking about are actually these tweets, because if we take out these tweet polls, you can clearly see what happened all the time. I mean, we did these tweet polls like once every single day, and or like any other day. And as you can clearly see, in the past, it was like a reverse signal, right? Once these results were bullish, we got a push towards the downside. Once again, once we got our bullish results, we got a push to the downside. Right here, we got bearish results, we got a push towards the upside. Bearish results once again, push to the upside. Right now, we are getting bullish results in the polls that we yesterday created live in the stream, and that is maybe right there giving us some insight and telling us that we might be expecting at least some move towards the downside. as you can see right here, if we open the tweet, you can see, yeah, indeed, I mean, 70% is bullish right here from our poll that we created yesterday. Also, another signal on the 30-minute time frame we are getting is a CME gap. The CME futures chart closed at 40.6k, and it is right here highlighted with the white line, and you can clearly see that it is currently trading below us. And we do know, yeah, the CME gaps tend to fill 90% of the times, and that's why we might be expecting a downwards move to at least fill the CME gap right here as well. So for our trade that we might be taking, I would say if we can see this breakout of this symmetrical triangle to the downside, you might be shorting the market. This is going to be your first target. Maybe even a little bit above that, right? Maybe at this support box we have drawn in yesterday's stream, I would already take your first profits. Also because we created this wick exactly in the box right there. And for me, I'm going to be taking my second profit right there in the Fibonacci golden pocket. Why? Because we got some confluence in the Fibonacci golden pocket of this golden pocket, of course. And we got this parallel channel that we are currently testing the top of. And if we will get this rejection in towards the golden pocket, we will also test the mid level of this channel, which has shown in the past it is very strong support and resistance. And that's why I think it will provide some confluence at that level, and that will be my second level. And when we hit that level, I'll be out of my trade completely. So if we're going to see this correction in towards this support box we have highlighted, we are going to be seeing a nice 4% correction right there in the market. And once we are going to be seeing that, the people that opened their trades right here with like a 25x leverage position, maybe even a 20x position, will get liquidated out of the market, will get at least topped out. And these are the retail people, right? They FOMO'd into the move late. They were late towards the party right here with this breakthrough of this red line. And we do want to wash these people out because, I mean, these retailers cannot profit as much from the market, right? It is not designed that way. And these people are getting shaked out rather sooner than later, and we are taking advantage of that maybe by taking this trade to the downside. So if you want to be taking advantage of the move we are expecting to the downside right here, make sure to click the first link in the description, and you're going to be right there eligible to sign up with an event of 1.2 million in rewards right here. You just have to sign up. You do not have to do anything additional, and you're going to be eligible to be winning this with the trades you're already going to be taking. Make sure to also follow me on Twitter, because you are having these signals already earlier in the market. We were giving this information already earlier on our Twitter account, and as you can see, maybe after editing this video, we already created our move. So that's the thing why you should follow me on Twitter. Also, it's linked down below in the description. And guys, this is the end of this video. We will be going live if we can be seeing this breakout of this 30-minute symmetrical triangle. So stay tuned for that. Also subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'll see you either in the live stream or in a later video, maybe later today or even tomorrow. And guys, with that having being said, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.